Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Sanket. You are watching Sanket's Brush. I make games in godot and share the progress of my game on YouTube. And today we are going to implement the save and load function, which I learned in last 3 streams. I mean, last 3 days in our game which we are working on, and this is what I have done in last 3 days. So yes, wait a second, this is what I have done in last 3 days. Okay, so this is the save and load script, and this is the interface. So we are going to implement it in our game. Let's close it and let's open our project. See? So this is our project, and yes, let's continue. And tomorrow we are having a break from coding and we are going to play some games. Maybe if I did the saving thing fast enough, then we will start playing games also. So the thing is, this UI elements script is holding most of the, if this single script is holding all of the values, colors, all of the values from the game. With this graphics and all of the stuff. So I am going to make one more variable, directory. Let me first give it a title of save and load. Okay. Save. Save and load. And data is, so let's put all of these values inside the data. I'm just going to do this. Okay, and Okay. Okay, wait a second. Give me a second. Then, mm, yes. Okay. Hey, we don't need this car transform because these are temporary things. I think I lost some of the right here, the night mode and grass. Yes. Mode. Grass. Car color and steering sensitivity. There are others. Yes, I have a lot of variable here. And we are done here. Let me check if camera is okay. and flip touch controls. Okay, these are good. What about sound? Sound. Okay, these 3 sounds we do have. Got this. Okay, let's now let's make some changes here. Okay, so this is our directory with the I think I should make different directories for different things, like for graphics, the graphics data, yes, like this. Okay. Wait a second, guys. I might be in trouble because why are these let me just make directories directly under the title so I don't get confused. And variable, this time it is data graphics data equals, I'm going to add all of this inside here. Let me make a gap. Okay. What's wrong here? Let me just check the directory. It was created. Okay. Oh yeah. I have to put the is sign and not is equal to sign. Okay, I'll keep it on. And That's it. Our graphics directory is done. And now what we are going to do is I'm going to make a save and load function here, or I can just copy from that. Here I can just copy it. Oops. And paste here. So I am going to add how many titles do we have? Graphics 1, sound 2, controls 3, camera 4, car 5, 6, environment. So I am going to make location 1, and like this I am going to make 6 locations, which are, first of all, this is graphics directory, so I am giving the file name graphics graphics.dat. whatever you can write whatever you want to write here. So let me just add a location, and again here location, and data also. So data means the directories, and we are making custom functions here. Okay, and yes. So we are going to, or I can graphics path, or okay, graphics path is good, and this graphics data. Okay, and now we are going to add some let's make first this for only graphics, then we will do it for all other titles. I can put graphics path up here. Okay, this is our graphics path. This is custom, so save and load functions. Function ready. So for now we are going to make save and load right here. then ready. So load. First of all, we are going to put location here, that means graphics path, and data is going to be graphics data. And yes, I think that's it. And one more thing now, our initial setup is ready here. So the thing is, whenever we start the game, the data from our files will load if there is any file in our located location here. So let's make some changes in UI. With UI elements. It must be somewhere here. Okay, now let's see what do we have here. These are graphics, and this is our script. So what is going here is, whenever I press any button, then the value of this script is going to be changed. So instead of using these, I am going to use now I am going to use this right here. So let's just cut it, save it, and up here what the directory we are putting, the name of our directory here, UI dot graphics data and shadows. Shadow, if I made any spelling mistake right here, then it will not work, so I have to be careful with that. Shadow. Okay, and similar things to all of other here. SSR, SSIL, SSAO, STFGI, and what's It's just an auto exposure. Okay. And let me see if I can use save function for UI script. UI dot. I think I can use this function. Can I use it? Saves location and location and data. That means first is UI dot graphics path, UI dot graphics data. Okay, we are going to put this to all of them. That means whenever we make change, it will get saved immediately. Hello there, somebody is watching us. By the way, if you just stumble upon my stream, don't know who I am Sanket. You are watching Sanket's Brush. I make games and share my progress on YouTube. For now, I am making a car racing game, and for now I am implementing the save and load function in it. From last 4 days, I was learning it, and now I have learned it. By the way, if you have any questions, wanna chat with me, you are free to ask me anything in the subject of game development / gameplay, games, or 3D design, art, music. Not music, I don't know much about music for now. Say okay, so the saves, I hope this will work because we are using the data from another script and also using the custom function of save and load also from another script. So in ready function, loads graphics and okay, let me see, data, that means graphics data. Okay, let's see if it works. I hope this works, but I don't think this is going to work as I intended. Yes, something is wrong. I don't know what it is. Invalid getIndex shadow on base of node in UI elements.jd. UI.shadows. Oh yes. Oh yeah. This this is just a little silly mistake I made right here. I am using a removed I'm using removed variables here, which I don't have to. I have to use graphics data UI dot graphics data, and this shadow. If I even make a little bit silly spelling mistake, then this will not work because a lot of scripts are entangled. Sometimes I write shadows instead of shadow. That single extra s will that might make me lose my another half an hour. So I am so careful while spelling it. Okay. Wait a second. How is auto exposure here? Okay, I don't need these little lines. Exposure. Okay, we are good. What about the depth of field blur? It's here. Steering sensitivity. No, not steering sensitivity. Why? Okay, it is in car, so we don't need it for now. For now, we are only focusing on graphics. So yes, let's continue our progress. For now, UI dot steering and steering angle and its sensitivity, tendency. Let's play it. Yes, one more mistake. What's the mistake right here? Again. Okay. Star enable. The same thing also here. I dot graphics data and this shift this and this. Let's play again. There are too many scripts right here, so okay, this I need here depth of field blur, here far blur, near blur. Okay, which is this script? Okay, LVL basic setup. Okay, so this is a script of world environment. Okay, for now DOF far blur, DOF blur equals true. That means only far blur. Near blur enabled equals. I'll comment it. I'll see about that later, but the spelling of DOF blur is this, so let's change it. See. Yes, let's do it. And let's see. We are started now. Hopefully, if I am going to turn off the shadows, and I'm going to turn off the game, and if I restart the game, the shadows will not be there, if I am correct. Why is this happening? Okay. Let's try to restart it. That means something is wrong with our load function. So let me show you how this save and load thing works. So in our user directory, here, and retro drift here, you can see the graphics.dat. This is our file. This is what we are trying to load after saving, but it is saved for now, but it is not loading. Yeah, let's see what's wrong here. So graphics data is going to be here and here. This is the graphics path. This is our graphics.dat. What if I put return here? Return data. Let me see. Start it. Oops. No. Okay. This one. No, nothing. Okay. I'm sure something is wrong with the load function. I mean, the data is loading here, but after loading it, okay, nothing is wrong here. And again, everything is right here. I think the ready function should be up here. You see if I am making any mistake. What we did here is a okay. I think I need these values right here, so I can assign the values of our saved file to them. But it should work. Why is it not working? Here, graphics data.ssr. That means this. or I can just get the data directly from the file to this script. I don't have to make a I don't have to share the things from the files. Instead of load graphics, I'm going to use directly the code of graphics, load graphics. So this is graphics path. Graphics data, and yes. Instead of using UI, I'm going to directly use our graphics data from the file. Oh no. It is essential for this thing to work on a, let me see how this works. Okay, so I think this is working well. If I turn all of these things, then they will be on when I restart the game. Maybe not in the button, but on the graphics side. Yes, they are on. That means our script is working, 7 load data script is working, but not how I intended. let's reverse this. Here's all of this. Okay. So somehow we are not gaining our, we aren't having our data in here. So let me see what is going wrong with that. Hey, we have a viewer. What's up? How are you? Just stumble upon my stream. I hope YouTube is recommending my videos or live streams to the programmers and people who want to be programmers or game developers or 3D designers or artists. So this is the main script. Maybe the load function is not working here. Ready loads. Maybe this is not working. So what I'm going to do is putting a load function directly in here. So instead of location, graphics path, and here graphics data, yeah, I hope this works. And yes, let me just the music volume is a little bit too much. I'm going to reduce it. Let's see. Okay, here we are. Our things are on, and if I turn all of this off, let me just do something like this, and this, and I turn off the game and restart the game. Then why the auto exposure is not working? Let's see again. Here we are, and again is not working. Let's say PHP is working well. Here we go, and yes, it is working. What's up with the, let's say these two are working or not? Let's see. Let's do all of this on, and now if I turn off and restart, all of should be on. Okay, but auto exposure is not working. Let me see what is wrong here. So let me check the spelling. AUTOEXPOSURE. Here it is correct, and auto exposure enabled, camera attribute auto exposure enabled. instead of here, what about menu script? Okay, menu settings. Okay, I said before that here you can see I again made a spelling mistake. Not actually spelling mistake, but this little line is not letting me turn on the button. The auto exposure is on, but on the button it is not on. So that's why you should be very careful with the names. Now let's check again. And it is working. Yes, we have made a save and load function for our graphics only for now. So let me check if I turn off everything. Instead, let me just check if I it should be like that. If I restart the game, and yes, it is working. Now let's check if we can do the same thing with the FPS. There is the FPS. Okay. The thing is, it is working now. Yes, it is working, and I am going to do all of other things like now graphics is working well. Now for sounds, for controls, for this camera, night mode, grass, and this color, these things I am going to make them in after stream. But after stream I means परवा दिवशी on others the next day, what you call it in English, I don't know. परवा दिवशीला इंग्रजीत काय म्हणतात मला माहित नाही. So yes, for now I am ending the stream and I am going to start a gaming stream because Saturday and Sunday we are having a break from coding and work. So I am coming back maybe in 10 minutes. So yes, goodbye. Have a good night.